Hi dear friends, now we will discuss about this type of medium level of mechanical drawing. Now I have already set each and everything whatever required for this drawing, so including units, limits and whatever. And now I am going to start this diagram from this point. See, I am going to start this from this point. So firstly I am going into the command. So I am taking the line command. I am clicking here the first point and I am showing the direction towards 30 degrees and giving the value. So the total distance has given 175. So I need to give that value. So giving the value 175 and press enter. And now, so I need to go to top to a distance of, see here. So I need to go to top to a distance of, see here it has given 9. So I need to go to top to 9 and press enter. Now, so I need to come in this direction to a distance of 175, press enter, and now just join these two lines. So now see, this is the profile I am getting. Now in the similar way I need to draw a line. So by going in this direction to a distance of 50 has given. So again I am taking line command and I am drawing a line from this point to a distance of 50 and press enter. Now I need to go in this direction and just drag this point so that, and click, see I am just coming like this and again I am pressing enter. So just draw a line from this point and just drag this point up to here and just join these two lines. So I am getting a rectangle element like this, and there is a height of this center point has given, see. So from here the height of this circle's center point is 28, the distance is 28. So it has given. Now what should I do? So from here I am taking a line command and I am drawing a line from the midpoint of this line, and I am drawing a line to upwards to a distance of 28 and press enter. Now see, I need to draw a circle here, so which is of diameter here, so it is given 50, the distance is given, so it would be the diameter of this circle. Now I am selecting this axis end tool, selecting the isocircle option and selecting this as the center point and press F5 functional key so that it will be in the required plane, and we need to give the diameter here 50. So I am selecting the option diameter and I am giving the value 50 and press enter. Now in the similar way I need to draw a circle here also. So for that also I am selecting line command and I am drawing a line from the midpoint of this line to a length of 28 and press enter. Now I need to draw a circle again, so selecting axis end tool. So make sure that some points, so the midpoint and the end points won't highlight if you won't switch on the object snap options. So need to check by going into this drop down, click on object snap settings. So once check this, everything is in on mode. So you need to check out this and you need to track the midpoints, tangent points or end points, center points, whatever. So otherwise they won't highlight the things. So option also, so those won't be highlighted. So if these are not in on mode, those won't be highlighted. Once check out this, and now what should I do? I am going into this axis end tool, select the isocircle option, and from this point I need to draw a circle of diameter 50 and press enter. Now what should I do? So there is a distance here, so which is at a distance of 32. So there is a line here at a distance of 32. So now what should I do? So I am going into the command line, giving the command DDP type, press enter. So select the required point and click OK. Now give the command PO for point and press enter. Now I am putting a point here, so give the command M, press enter, select this point and press enter. Select this point, center point at the base point and give a distance of 32, press enter. Now I need to draw a line from here to here, so I am just drawing a line to here. I am just drawing a line, or I am again selecting line command and from this center point I am drawing a line in this direction to a distance of 50 and press enter. Now in the similar way I need to move this point to here and again give the command M and press enter. Select this point, press enter. So select the point, center point, and give the distance of 32 and press enter. Now again I need to draw a line from this point. So select the line command, and from this point I need to draw a line in this direction to a distance of 50 and press enter. Now see, so I am getting like this, and we need to draw lines. So here see, by touching this circle, so I need to draw it. So it is our task. Now I am again selecting line command. You need to track the tangent point also. So I am selecting line command, and once check, this is my tangent point, and I am clicking here, and in the similar way I am selecting line command, and again I am tracking the tangent point. So I need to click here, and I am joining a line. In the similar way I need to join here also. I am selecting line command, and from this point I am joining a line, and again I am joining a line from this point to here. So this is the profile I am getting. Now what should I do? I need to move the circle so to a distance of the thickness as given 9. From here to here I need to copy the circle to a distance of this 9. So for that, give the command CO, press enter, select the circle and press enter. Select the center point of the base point and move this towards in this direction to a distance of 9 and press enter. Now in the similar way I need to make a copy of this circle also. So to inner side I need to make a copy. See, I have drawn the circle at here. See, this is the circle, and I need to make a copy of this to a distance of, or you can also give a distance of 9. So it is 9. So it is the whole distance. And now what should I do? I need to make a copy, CO and press enter, select the circle, press enter, select the center point of the base point and give a distance of 9 and press enter. Now see, again we need to make a copy of this element to a distance of, the whole distance is 12. So we have made copy from this point to here 9, and from this circle we need to make a copy to 12 distance. Again I am giving the command CO, press enter, select the circle, press enter, select the center point of the base point, and now I need to move this towards in this direction to a distance of 12 and press enter. Now in the similar way I need to make a copy of this circle also. Give the command CO and press enter, select the circle, press enter, select the center point as the base point and move this towards 12 and press enter. Now see, this is my actual profile, and now I need circle element. See, this is the circle element inside here and here, which is of diameter 25 has given. So for that I am going into this axis central, selecting isocircle option, selecting this center point, this line as the center point, and I am drawing a circle. So we need to draw a circle at the outer, see, to the outer circle only. So for that I am selecting again isocircle and tracking this outer circle center point and drawing a circle of diameter, selecting diameter option and giving the value 25 and press enter. Now in the similar way I need to draw a circle here also. So selecting this axis end, selecting isocircle, and I am selecting this point and I am drawing a circle of diameter 25 and press enter. Now see, I am putting a point here. Now I am just give the command M and press enter, select this point and press enter, select this center point and give a distance of 9 and press enter. So now again I am making a copy of this point, give the command CO and press enter, select this point, press enter and make a copy to here. So give the command M and press enter, select this point, press enter, select this at the base point. Now move this towards in this direction to a distance of 9 and press enter. Now see, we need to join lines to up to this point. So again I am selecting line command and I am tracking the coordinate point of this circle and I am just joining to here. So this is the another line, and again I am selecting the line command and I am just joining. So by tracking the coordinate point of this circle I am joining here. So this is the actual profile. Now we need to remove the unwanted things so that the things will be very clear. So I am giving the command here and pressing couple of times enter. Now I need to remove the internal things. See, I don't need this. So carefully we need to remove each and every. So now see, now again I am selecting line command. I need to draw a line, so from here to here. So from this quadrant point to this quadrant point I need to draw a line, and I need to remove the things. So this point I don't need, so this I don't need, this I don't need, and now I don't need this also, so that it will be better, and I am removing the things. So once check, so this is the thing I am getting, and now I need to remove some of the things here also. First I need to draw a line from here to here, and drawing a line, so from here to here, and trimming off the things which I don't need. See, I don't need the things, so I don't need these lines, and once check, so I don't need this, I don't need this, and see, I don't need everything. So this is the profile I am getting, and I need to draw a line from here to here also. So I am selecting line command again and drawing a line from here to here and trimming off the things. See, now this is the actual profile I am getting. Now our task is to draw two circles here. So there is one circle here and there is another circle here also. So further there is a distance of this center circle. See, there the distance is 16. So I am selecting line command and I am drawing a line from the center point of this, giving the distance as 16 and press enter. Now in the similar way I need to draw a line from this midpoint to a distance of 16 and press enter. Now selecting this axis end tool, select the isocircle option and click here the center point and press F5 functional key and give the diameter value has given here 12, the total distance. So it is asking radius. You can also give 6 and press enter. Now in the similar way I need to draw here also. So I am selecting axis end, selecting isocircle and selecting this point and giving the diameter, select diameter, and you can also give the value 12 and press enter. Now see, this is the profile I am getting. So and I need a copy of this circle. So once check, I need a copy of this circle, outer circle, to a distance of 12. And in the similar way I need a copy of this circle to a distance of 12. So give the command CO and press enter. Select this circle and press enter. Select the center point as the base point. Show the direction and give the value 12 and press enter. And in the similar way I need to make a copy of this also. Give the command CO and press enter. Select the circle and press enter. Select the center point as the base point and just move this towards in this direction. Remove whatever I don't need. See, I am removing this, and you just select this circle and select this circle and press delete from your keyboard. Now see, this is the thing I need, and I need to remove these lines also. I don't need these lines. So I need to trim off this also. I don't need these lines also. So this is the profile I am getting, and now I don't need these lines also. So I want to remove these points. Those are only for reference purpose I have done. And now there is a fillet here. See, there is a fillet which is of radius 9 has given. So for that I am selecting this fillet option. Select the radius option and now give the radius value as 9 and press enter. Select multiple. Select these two lines and these two lines also. In the similar way these two. So now check. So this is the actual profile I am getting, and now I need to make a copy of this fillet to a distance of 9. So further give the command CO and press enter. Select this arc, press enter and select this point and make a copy of this to a distance of 9 and press enter. In the similar way I need to make a copy of this also. Give the command CO and press enter. Select this arc and press enter. Select this and towards this direction to a distance of 9 and press enter. Now I need to make a copy of this also. So give the command CO and press enter. Select this arc and press enter. Select this point and make a copy of this to a distance of 9 and press enter. Now give the command TR and press couple of times enter. Just remove the things whatever you don't need. So I am just removing. So I am joining a line. So I am drawing a line from here to here. I am just drawing a line, and again I am drawing a line from here to here also. In the similar way, I need to join a line from here to here. So now I am trimming off the things. So I don't need this, I don't need this, and I don't need this also. So now this is the actual profile I am getting. So this is the actual profile I am getting. So it looks like this, and we need to represent the center lines also. So for that I am selecting the line command, and I am drawing a line by tracking the center point. So to a distance of, see, and now I am drawing a line vertically also. So by tracking the center point, and now I need to draw a center line from here to here also. In the horizontal and vertically we need to represent. So now here also, now here also. Now what should we do? We need to trim the lines which are extra. So we don't need to represent here. So I am just trimming off. So this is enough, I think. And now what should I do? So I need to convert these lines into the line type. So for that I am going into this property, select the bilayer, click here other, click on load, select the center, click OK, again select the center, set current, close. Now select these lines which I need to convert to center line type. So I am selecting these lines. So going into this properties drop down, clicking here bilayer and click here center. Now the lines are too close to each other, so I am giving the LTS command, line type scale, LTS, give and press enter, and it is the value 1. We need to give the value 5 and press enter. Now see, these are my center lines. So now our task is to give the dimensions. For that I am going into this align dimensioning and giving the dimensions wherever required, changing this to bilayer, again changing this, and the dimensions are not visible properly. So going into the dim style command, click on modify and click here fit and give the value of some 15, click OK, and click on this text tab and set this to align with dimension line, and click on this primary units, set this precision to 0 and click OK, set current, close. Now see, this is enough, I think. Now again I am going into this align dimensioning and giving the dimensions wherever required. Press enter. So we need to just press enter so that wherever we need the dimension it will be getting. So once check. So sometimes we need to track the dimension lines also, so that the dimensions will be properly applied. So this is the profile I am getting after all dimensions, and now I need to align the dimension with respect to the angles. So for that I am going into this annotate tab, click here dimension drop down and click here oblique, and now select the dimensions which I need to align towards the required angle. So I am selecting these options. So selecting these dimensions I need to align. So I am selecting this. And press enter, give the value 30 and press enter. Now those are aligned in 30 degrees. Now, so I need to give here also the dimensioning. So giving the align dimensioning and clicking here the first, and from the center point to here also it is 16, and from this point to here it is 25. Now again I need to go to annotate and click here drop down, select the oblique and select these options. So these dimensions I need to align towards 90 degree. So I'm just selecting that. You can also select multiple dimensions and you can also align those dimensions. So with respect to that, and now press enter, view the angle 90 and press enter. Now see, and you can move these dimensions to the required place. So wherever you can represent that. Now see, you can also move this. Now I need to align these dimensions, some of the dimensions towards 150 degree. So again I am going into this and selecting oblique option, select the dimensions and which I need to align towards 150 degree. So now press enter, view the angle 150 and press enter. Now see. Now again I am selecting this oblique, select these dimensions, some of the dimensions haven't aligned. So towards 30 degree I need to align and press enter, view the angle 30 and press enter. Now see, this is the actual profile I am getting. So if you want to align the dimension text also, so you need to go to the dim style and you need to give the text oblique angles also. So I am mentioning here. So see, this is my actual profile and you can also give the colors to these dimensions. So dimension text you can also give colors, and for the diagram also you can give colors. So it is up to you. So I am selecting and giving some colors. So see, these are all my dimensions and I am going into home tab and selecting this properties by layer and see, giving the dimensions. So you need to give some light colors only. See, and now I need to select the diagram also. So once check, I am selecting this diagram. So once check each and everything we have selected or not, and you can apply some colors to this, and I'm going into this properties and giving some the required color. So once check. If you want to align the text also, so go to dim, redim and click OK, click on modify, click on this text tab and click here the three buttons option and give some angle, oblique angle of 30 and click on apply, click close, click OK, set current, close. Now see, the dimension text will be so tilted to 30 degrees. So in this way also you can create, but up to the previous part it is enough. And I forgot to give the dimension line here. So here to here also we need to draw a line. So see, I am drawing a line from here to here and trimming off the things. See, now I need to apply some color. So see, so in this way we need to create this type of drawings, and we need to practice more and more drawings to get a command over this